Over the past 300 years, the industrial world went through 3 industrial revolutions. It started with the steam engine in the 18th century. Then came assembly lines and electrical energy in the 19th century. And 50 years ago, computers, automation, and electronics led the 3rd industrial revolution. The 4th revolution is about connecting machines with software and workers. This is a huge challenge, as perfect synchronization is needed for machine jobs, quality controls, and operators with their work instructions. There is no standard protocol. Between Internet, local network, Bluetooth, and serial ports, there is no unified communication mechanism. Now there's a solution to this connectivity challenge. Meet the IoT box. The IoT box connects any hardware to the Odoo software. You can orchestrate operators and machines' work instructions in your manufacturing process all in one interface. The devices can be connected through USB, serial ports, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, HDMI, and more. Just plug in the box, and Odoo detects it automatically. Then, just use the devices and steps of your work orders. Let's connect the caliper to this quality point. Let's add a foot switch to specific buttons in the interface. We also want to print a serial number at this step. Just like that, your operator can orchestrate machines and quality controls directly from the work instructions on a tablet. Let's process a work order. The first step is to take a measurement of the caliper. The measurement is automatically recorded. This helps the worker save time and reduce mistakes through human error. To move to the next step, just push with your foot on the foot switch. It increases the productivity of the worker who can use both hands for the task. As the next step requires a serial number, the printer is triggered automatically to print a label. With this level of integration, you orchestrate everything from your software to the operator's instruction to triggering machines and quality controls. No more connectivity issues, patches on your manufacturing software, or manual quality controls. And the use of the connected devices is fully integrated to your business flows since there are no extra steps added to your process. Now, this technology is accessible to any industry at an amazing price. Get an IoT box, the software subscription, and unlimited support, all for just $30 a month.